So guys, in this video let's unbox Boat 510 headphones. So I purchased it from FLIPKART. The best buy link is in the description below. So let's remove the bubble wrap from the product, and this is how it looks. So at the back side there is some key specifications of the headphones, so you can pause the video if you want to read. Now let's see the main product, that is our Boat headphones. But guys, before that I have to say the packaging is tremendous. I wasted my 5 to 6 minutes, yes, 5 to 6 minutes to open the box. So here we go guys, our Boat 510 headphones are here. This one is the red one and it comes in many color combination as blue, green, black, etc. All the best buy links will be in the description below. So guys, it has passive noise cancellation feature with deep bass. So if you are a bass lover, then you should buy this beast. More, we get an aux cable and a USB cable to charge it. So now let's talk about why you should buy this headphone. So first, it is a wireless headphone as well as a wired headphone. So if the battery of this headphone dies, then you can easily connect it through the aux cable given in this box. Secondly, it has battery backup of more than 10 hours. Yes, you heard it right, more than 10 hours on continuous usage, and it can last up to a week on standby. So basically the battery is pretty awesome. Thirdly, it is over the ear headphones, means it will not hurt on long term usages. The soft cushion will automatically set on your ears. Lastly, we get some control buttons on the headphones like volume up, volume down, play, pause, next, previous, etc. The aux cable given in the box is flat type cable, that means it will not tangle up easily. So these are some pros of the product. Now let's discuss some of the cons of it. As the outer of this headphone are made up of plastic which can be broke by falling 2 to 3 times. Another con is that it has so deep bass that sometimes it suppresses the main audio in the song. So basically it is made for those people who are deadly bass lover. So I have noticed that the audio comes from Bluetooth is more crisp and clear with the normal bass, and if you connect it through the aux cable given in the box, it will definitely blast your head by its deep bass. So guys, I definitely recommend this product to those people who are dead bass lover and only wants deep and clean bass in their songs. Other people can also buy it, but you have to set your equalizer on your device from which you are listening. So Flipkart and Amazon with its Diwali sale are coming with its Diwali sale, so you can buy this product from anywhere you like. Best buy links of both of the sites are present in the description of this video. So guys, that's it for this video. I really hope you like this video. If you liked, then don't forget to hit that like button, and yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you will be notified each and every time when I upload a new video. Okay guys, bye bye and take care.